Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can mine fluorite in Heartopia game. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have a quest or mission to mine fluorite, and we can find the fluorite in Onsen Mountain. So first of all, you can go to the Onsen Mountain. It's right here. We're by the Onsen lake. Okay, and then this is the fluoride guys. Actually, I got the guidance, and don't forget to use your pickaxe to mine the fluorite. I'm going to equip my pickaxe, and then we can click on the pickaxe to mine the fluorite. Okay, complete. I finally got the fluorite. Okay guys, and that's how you can mine fluorite in Heartopia game. I hope this video will be useful for you guys. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video guys.